Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel or delete your Ftmo free trial account. Make sure to watch this video till the very end so you don't miss any important details. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your Chrome browser and then in the search bar search for ftmo.com. Once you search for it, all you have to do is simply log in to your account. So once you're inside here and logged in, keep in mind that the free trial demo account lasts only for 14 days, and after that, Ftmo will automatically delete your account. Unfortunately, there's no any option to delete your account directly from the site. So what you can do is simply scroll this option below, then simply tap on support. Inside here, scroll below again, then you want to go ahead and simply tap on send message. Now inside here, you want to go ahead and type in the message and explain why you want your account to be deleted. You can even add any attachment if needed. Once you have done that, go ahead and tap on send. This is the only way to request a deletion because Ftmo does not allow direct account deletion by users. So no worries if you don't want to delete it now. Your trial will expire after 14 days anyways. But if you want to delete it earlier, follow the support request process and your account will get deleted. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.